My shoes are too small. Now they're ripped. What do I do now? Boom! Mission clear.
You should get super shoes. They adjust to your foot size. They last forever. And the best thing is, it makes you fly.
Those are so cool. Thanks. They're so comfortable.
I know, right? Now you can just jump to the nearest water source.
Okay.
Wow, I got here in a couple seconds. Now I can get all my water.
And they're not worn down. Compared to other shoes, they're great.
Yeah, I know. It only takes a couple of seconds to get your fresh, clean water. Hey, where'd she go?
Super shoes, the shoes that change the world. Woo!
You should get super shoes. What do I do now?
Now they're ripped. What do I do
You
now?
want? I'm not getting in the floor.
Ugh, my shoes are too small. Now they're ripped. What do I do now?
Connor! You should get super shoes. They adjust to your foot size. They...